Hi guys and welcome to the Batch Lady. I am giving you a 2-minute top tip video here, and it's because a few of you have written in and asked for this exact question. I have just finished doing a video on how to cook your Christmas turkey, or the way that I cook it, and I thought I'd talk to you about defrosting and cooking turkeys and the best ones to buy. Okay, so when it gets to Christmas, we all panic that we're not going to get our turkey in time. You can either get a frozen one from the frozen aisle, a fresh one from your supermarket, or you can go to your butcher's and you can get a fresh one. Me personally, I always have a lot of people. I go to my local butcher's, I get a fresh turkey. I order it about now, so we're about the beginning of December. I order it about now, and the butcher keeps it for me, and I collect it on Christmas Eve at lunchtime. Always remember they close at 12 o'clock, so you have to remember to go and collect it. But it means that it's not taking up a great deal of my fridge space. So that works well for me, but it's not the cheapest way to do it. If you're on a budget, you might want to consider getting a fresh one at the supermarket. And what I would say is get your order in now. If you can get a delivery from Waitrose, Tesco, Asda, wherever you get a delivery from, if you can book it in for Christmas Eve or Christmas Eve morning, then they can hold that fresh turkey for you, and you're not having to think about fridge space, because so many people panic that they don't have room to put a fresh turkey in the fridge if it's quite big. The other option is a frozen turkey, okay? Now, the only thing that you really have to be concerned about with a frozen turkey is the fact that depending on how big it is, and it tells you on the back of the packet, it's going to take quite a long time to defrost. So I think the sort of medium size, they're about 28 to 48 hours. The big ones that you get that serve sort of 18, the huge one that you'll see, I think they're something like 72 hours. So they tell you how long to defrost it. They also say it has to be defrosted in the fridge. And that's because it takes so long to defrost that if you left it out, bits of it are at room temperature and they're all at different temperatures. So you really need to make sure that you've got room for it in your fridge. It's going to have some excess water come off it as well. So you need to get it in a big sort of basin if you're going to defrost it. So there's a few options for your frozen turkey. You're going to have to make sure it's fully defrosted. So you're going to have to work back from when you want to cook it to how long it's going to take to defrost. So you're probably looking at 2 days minimum, maybe 3 days before that turkey's defrosted, ready to go in. As soon as it's defrosted, you're just doing it just like the video that I showed you. It's exactly the same. You're just looking at the weight of it, and it'll tell you exactly, usually on the packet, it'll tell you per weight how long it's going to cook. For instance, okay, this is a chicken, but it told me it was going to take 1 hour and 40 minutes. So the turkeys will do the same, and you're just doing the same as this. So that's your main options to look out for when buying a turkey. If money is no option, then get to your butcher's, I would say, because they'll hold it for the longest. If not, get thinking now well in advance and get your Christmas order in and see if you can order your turkey. I think Marks and Spencer's do ordering turkeys as well, and get it on the last possible time so that they can hold it in their fridge for you. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed my turkey top tips. I hope it all works out really well for you. Take care, bye.